Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo Pad Air device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this device. To do it, you just need to open the Photos application, and as you can see here, I have no any photos on my device. And now I want to recover deleted photos. To do it, you need to open Albums, then scroll down and find here Recently Deleted. Here you will see all recently deleted files. All recently deleted files will store here during 30 days, and after this time they will permanently removed from your device without the restoring ability. So choose the photos you want to recover, so click and hold on this photo and click Restore. Click Restore these items, go back, go Photos, and as you can see, Photos was successfully restored. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!